Okay, I'm saying this. So the reason of just calling this meet is just to analyze some trades for only around 10-20 minutes. Then we can call it a day. So personally, as a trader, you need to identify some what do we call. Personally, I do trade the deriv those indices, jumps, volatilities. I don't know if you know them. So if you are conversant with them, I normally trade that. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Now, you normally analyze your trades from the higher time frame. Then, like normally, you pick three time frames. Three time frames. So, the first time frame, it can be like I normally group it into three time frames. First time frame is to give you the bias. The bias is the direction. Now, time frame number one, I can choose on daily, let me say weekly, daily, or even the monthly. So that's my time frame number one. So that time frame number one, the main aim is just to give me the direction or the bias or where I'm heading to. Simple like that. Then I go to my intermediate time frame. So my intermediate time frame is where now I analyze the trades. I don't analyze on the daily time frame. So it can be 4 hour and 1 hour, two of them, 4 hour and 1 hour. So there's where I wait. So there's where I normally do my price analysis. Those what you call the liquidity, internal range, those things, concepts, mitigation, fair value gap, order blocks, where are they related? Then after they have met, I'll go down to M15.
What is communication in the time frame 4 hour?
4 hour and 1 hour. 4 hour and 1 hour. I've said before this, I normally take my trading time frame into three categories. Number one, the weekly, daily, or even the monthly. So the main aim of the weekly, monthly, or daily is to give me the direction. Then I'll come to my intermediate time frame, the middle one, number two time frame. It can be H4 or H1. So H1, I'll do my normal analysis. There's where now I do my price, like what the market is performing. There's now when patience comes in. There's now when the psychology comes in. There's when now there's a difference between a beginner and a trader, and because tell me waiting a trade for 1 hour, how many can wait for that? Few. So that's when I'll wait, basing on the knowledge that I got from the higher time frame. That's daily, 1 hour, weekly. Together. Now I'll go after they have met my analysis. I'll go to M15. So what happens when the daily is buying, 4 hour is selling, 15 minutes is buying? Will I enter that trade? Daily is buying, 4 hour is selling, M15 is buying. Will I enter that trade? Will I buy or sell? That's what I'm asking. Will I buy or sell?
Sorry, repeat the question.
I'm saying my daily time frame it's buying. My 4 hour time frame is telling me that it's a sell. And my M15, 15 minutes time frame, it's saying it's buying. Which way should I go with in trading now?
I think you follow the higher time frame.
Another option? Another, if you have another option for you guys, maybe if you are listening to me, any other person who can just try to answer that. I'm saying this, you're in the trade and daily is buying, H4 is selling, and M15 is buying. Which way will you go? Will you buy or will you sell?
Buy.
Another option? Another option. I'm seeing Rosemary. Rosemary, you're my student, Bana. You know, I'm trying to ask this. You're on a chart. You've analyzed your trades. Huh? Daily time frame is buying. H4 is selling and daily is buying. So which way will you go? Will you buy or will you sell?
I may sell.
You guys, let me do something. All of you are wrong. I won't enter that trade. I won't enter that trade. The trade, if you have ever heard the term confluence, that means you'll wait until those time frames to align together. If it won't meet your analysis, leave it. So the daily should be buying, 4 hours should be buying, 1 hour should be buying, and M15 should be buying. Then enter the trade. There should be no any conflicting of time frames. That's where now you go wrong. The moment you have chose your 3 time frame and you conflict them together, you're done as a trader. You're done. Like you're just done. You're done. Like the daily, follow the daily. After the daily has given you, it's a buy. Go to H4. H4 should give you a buy opportunity. Before going to H1 or M15, wait the H4 to give you a press button. Now, go to M15 for a buy. So you can't be jumping. Like, let me ask, you're cooking like some meat. You have prepared ugali, you want to cut onions. There is no any order at your kitchen place. That means the food will be okay, but at the end of the day, you're doing the wrong thing. You need to follow the procedure. First, have the daily. The daily is telling you it's a buy. Then go to H4. So at your time frame, it should be only sticking at H4 or H1. At M15 should be just for the entry session. I don't know if you're together.
Yes.
That's what should be done. Nothing more. Nothing more, like nothing more. That's how it should be done. That's all about time frames.
So where time frame is any point aligned to the next one. That's the actually probability of that trade. That means
What's the lower time frame? Even 4 hours is a lower time frame, basing your monthly analysis. That's my intermediate time frame. It's okay, depending on what type are you as a trader. I'm giving a general knowledge, a general example on how you need to pick your time frames. Yeah. So the point that you need to master is you can't jump from point A to point B if you're not done with point A. So if point A is not complete, why go to point B? You can't complete, you have not completed the syllabus of Form 1. You're going to Form 3, Form 2. Even though you just go there, you'll have a lot of problems. So the foundation, build a foundation from the start. That means it wanna be flowing smoothly. That's how it should be done. That's under the time frame analysis. How to choose your time frame in trading. Like for example here, I'm analyzing. Let me jump 100. Now, as I've said, I'll go to my bias or the direction from the higher time frame. Let me pick weekly time frame. What I'm seeing here,